Planning a Europe trip and already stressed about the visa? The process, documentations, appointments, timelines, it can feel super confusing. But don't worry, in this video, we are breaking it all down for you step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Vaadi and I create travel content providing you guys with itinerary, budget and pro travel tips. After we posted our Italy trip stories, so many of you reached out to us asking about the visa process, what documents are required, how long did it take, itinerary, budget, etc. So we thought, why not make a dedicated video explaining everything clearly so it makes your life easier and saves you hours of research. Let's start with the basics. Who needs to get a Schengen visa? If you are a citizen of a country that is not part of the Schengen Visa exempt list, then yes, you will need a visa to enter the country. Italy comes under the Schengen zone, which basically means you apply for a Schengen tourist visa. And this one visa allows you to travel to multiple European countries within this area. The best and most accurate place to check whether or not you need to apply for a visa is the official Italian consulate website. Here is the web page, which has a very simple tool where they ask you just 4 basic questions: your nationality, where you currently live, purpose of travel, length of stay. And based on your answers, it clearly tells you whether you need a Schengen visa, which type of visa to apply for, and which consulate or visa center you should go through. So for Italy, you apply directly through the Italian consulate that has jurisdiction over your state of residence. In our case, it was the New York Italian consulate. Once you identify your consulate, you need to book an appointment directly on the official website. I have given the link in the description. Appointments are limited, so plan at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance. For reference, let me share our timeline to guide you further. Our trip was scheduled for November. We created an account on the official visa appointment website, I guess around July. We made a request for visa appointment by giving our details, and after a few days, we got an email from the consulate sharing a few date options to choose from for the visa appointment. So we got the appointment for September. So that was our rough timeline. So let's talk about the documents. This is where most people get confused, so pay attention. First, we have the visa application form. Fill out the Schengen visa application form carefully, no spelling mistakes, no mismatched dates. Next is passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 3 months after your return and have at least 2 blank pages. Third is your US visa or status proof. You need a copy of your US visa and proof of legal status like I-797, I-20, green card, etc. depending on your situation. And this is very specific to people applying from US. Next, you need 2 recent passport size photos as per the Schengen visa requirements. This means it must be taken within the last 6 months. The size should be 35 mm into 45 mm. It should be in color and in a white background. The next, and I think one of the most important process of this visa application, is the travel itinerary. This includes your flight bookings and a day-wise travel plan. You not necessarily include the internal travel details like any train bookings or etc. that you make, but make sure to include confirmed hotel reservations for all the days of your stay. Next is travel insurance. This is mandatory as per the visa guidelines. A minimum coverage of 30,000 euros valid across Schengen area covering your entire travel duration is a must. Then we have financial proof. Bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months showing sufficient balance. You can also add pay stubs or any employment letters from your company. You can include your leave letter, approved leave letter from the company as well. The next document that we require is a self-addressed USPS priority mail envelope. This will be used to send your passport back once the visa decision is made. And the last thing they will ask for is the visa fee. The fee must be paid at the time of your application and it is non-refundable. Payment is accepted only by money order or cashier's check in the US. They do not accept cash, credit cards, debit cards, or personal checks. The visa fee is 90 euros, which was $102 as of 2025. And very important, every applicant must submit a separate cashier's check in their own name. To wrap up this video, let us quickly share how our actual visa appointment day went, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. So on the day of the appointment, we reached the New York Italian consulate 15 minutes early. At the entrance, security checked our appointment confirmation and we were asked to keep all electronics like our phone, watch and any other gadget in a locker which were provided by the consulate and completely free of cost. Once we entered inside, we were asked to go directly to the counter. Since we had a morning appointment, like an early morning appointment, there wasn't much crowd and the whole place felt very calm and organized. At the counter, they will check your documents, take your biometrics and collect the visa fee. The whole process takes about 30 to 45 minutes per person. For us, the visa processing time took around 2 to 3 days. Our appointment was on Wednesday and we received our passports back by the same week Saturday with the visa stamped. This can vary depending on the season, so always apply at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance. Overall, the entire process was very smooth and stress-free. All the staffs at the consulate were super friendly and helpful, and if your documents are strong and well organized, this process is actually much easier than it sounds. So don't overthink it, just follow the steps, double check everything and you will be good. So that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about Italy visa, itinerary or travel planning, drop them in the comments below and we will answer them. Our Italy travel series is coming up next, so stay tuned, it's going to be amazing. Till then, bye bye.